everybody, it's Jason. Today I'm going to be doing a video in partner with Firmoo. I decided to do this makeup look. It's a very goth glam makeup look. I use a Kat Von D lipstick for my lips and I really liked it. I also paired it with this Christian Sierra palette for the green. I just think it looks really cool, kind of grimy. That's kind of the look I was going for today. And since I did a more colorful look, I decided to pair it with a pair of clear frame glasses because I feel like they really show off the look since they are clear. This pair I got for free from Firmoo. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave a link down below and you guys can check out the styles they have available. And yeah, if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. So to start off the look, I'm going to keep to a very warm tone red palette. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and starting off with this very deep orange shade and using that as a transition with this really fluffy Wet n Wild brush. And then using that same shade, I'm going to go underneath my lower lash line. Now that I have a transition shade down, I'm going to be packing on this very deep maroon shade on my lid. I'm going to be using this really flat elf brush to do that. Now using that same blending brush that I used before for the orange shade, I'm going to be taking that same cranberry color and blending it into the crease just so that there's like a clean line because I kind of just messily packed it on the lid. So I just want to merge the colors together a little bit and then bring it up a little bit more up into like a little V shape towards my outer corner. Then to deepen my crease a little bit more, I'm going to be using this very chocolatey brown shade right here, and I'm going to be focusing on that into the outer V just to make it a little bit more intense. And now you've had a change of mind, and now you're leaving me behind. And taking that flat brush from before, I'm going to be picking up that cranberry shade one more time and taking it underneath my lower lash line and kind of connecting it to where I winged it out on this corner. So it's a little bit more cohesive and the shape blends together a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other eye and I'll be right back. So to finish our eye look, I'm going to be using a pencil brush and the shade Blue Sapphire from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. And I'm going to be taking that and putting it on my inner corner and kind of blending it into the red shade that I put down earlier. Did you love me? Now I'm going to be adding some dots. I'm just going to put 2 underneath each of my eyes and just add some on my forehead as well. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. eyeliner to do that. It's in the color Granite. I really thought that you were different, but you showed me that you're just like all the rest. Gotta be put in check. I'm going to finish the look with a bold lip. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. and Christian Sierra palette. And there's this really nice shimmery green that I'm going to be using on the outside of my lips. I'm going to take my finger and kind of blend that around my mouth. And I want to go a little bit outside of my lip line. Then on top of that color, I'm going to be using Kat Von D's Everlasting lipstick in the color Reverb. It's a very nice shimmery blue. I'm just going to put that on my lips. Have you ever, did you ever love me? So that's the end of my video. Let me know what you thought of the look down below and let me know what you thought of the frames I chose. And as always, if you like it, wear it, and I'll see you in my next video. Did you ever